In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore your bookmarks using the Brave browser. Whether you're switching computers, upgrading your system, or just want to keep a secure copy of your bookmarks, these steps will guide you through the process to ensure all your favorite sites are stored safely. Let's start by backing up your bookmarks. First, open up your Brave browser. At the top of the window, take a look at the options across the top bar and click on Bookmarks, which you'll find nestled between History and Downloads. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Bookmark Manager. The Bookmark Manager is a handy tool that gives you a comprehensive view of all your saved sites and folders, neatly organized for easy access. Once you're in the Bookmark Manager, shift your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon, often referred to as the three dots menu. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear, and from there you should choose Export Bookmarks. This is an important step because it allows you to save all your bookmarks in one easy-to-access file. After clicking Export Bookmarks, you'll be prompted to select a location on your computer where you want to save this file. You might choose a place like your desktop or your Documents folder, anywhere that's convenient and you'll remember. When you save this file, it will be in a .html format, which is a universal format for bookmark files. This file contains all your bookmarks in a structured format, ready to be imported whenever you need. Now, let's move on to restoring or importing your bookmarks. Again, open your Brave browser and revisit the top bar. Click on Bookmarks, then head to the Bookmark Manager, just like we did earlier. Once you're in the Bookmark Manager, navigate to the top right corner and click on that familiar icon, the three dots menu. This time choose Import Bookmarks. A file dialog box will pop up, prompting you to locate and select the .html file you saved earlier. This is your backup file containing all your valuable bookmarks. Select the file and click Open. And just like that, once you've opened the file, Brave will automatically restore your bookmarks. You'll be able to find them handily in your Bookmarks bar or under Other Bookmarks, depending on where they were stored in the original backup. With these simple steps, you can confidently manage and safeguard your bookmarks, ensuring they're always just a click away, no matter what happens to your device. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.